how to open Eclipse Java Project. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just create our new project. So just click on File right there on the top left corner. Click on New, and then after that, just simply click on Java Project. There you go. And then after that, just enter your project name right there. So for example, I'll just name it My First Java Project, and then there you go. And then after that, you can configure some settings right here in making your project, like choosing the execution environment or JRE, so you can use any Java version that you want from here. You can also configure the project layout, some working sets, and some module settings. When you click on Next, you can also like change some Java settings right here in your source folder, your projects folder, your libraries, order and export, and module dependencies. So yeah, feel free to explore this section out. So yeah, so once you're done setting up your project, just simply click on Finish, and there you go. You now have your project right there in your Project Explorer. So to add your classes right here or your files in your project, what you want to do is just simply go to Source right there, and then after you click on Source, just right click it, click on New, and then just simply create a new class. And then after that, what you want to do from here is to just name your class. So you can name it anything you like. So I'll just name mine Main, and then there you go. And then after inputting the name of your class right there, just you can see we cannot click on Finish. So it says right there at the top that a package name must be specified for a module. So yeah, so just put in your package right there. So I'll just name mine Main. There you go. And then once you're done, just simply click on Finish. But before you click on Finish, you can like set some settings right here within your class right there. So you can include the public static void main string args, etc., etc. So yeah, so for me, I'll just add that. And there you go. And then once you're done, just simply click on Finish. And there you go. You now have your class. And then after that, you can now start coding. So for example, I'll just type in system.out.println, and then I'll just type in hello world, and then there you go. I'll just add the semicolon in the end, and then there you go. So to run this class right there, what you want to do is just simply click on this play button right there, run main.java, and there you go. At the bottom, we have now printed out hello world. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open Eclipse Java Project.